Suggestions are everywhere in conversation. But what makes a suggestion sound friendly, not forceful? It's all about soft language and balanced tone.
Hey, Rania, you've been working nonstop lately. You might want to take a short weekend trip just to recharge.
That's a great idea, but I already promised my family I'd visit them. Maybe next week, though?
Notice how Alex gives a gentle suggestion using might wanna, not you need to. And Rania declines politely. She gives a reason and keeps the door open with maybe next week.
You two should come to the art festival on Friday. It's free, and there'll be live music.
That sounds lovely. I'd love to, but I have a project deadline. Could we go on Saturday instead?
Suggestions don't have to push. They open doors, and polite refusals keep conversations open too. When we make suggestions, the goal isn't to give orders, it's to open possibilities. Phrases like you could or why don't we sound friendly and cooperative. If you want to sound even softer, try you might wanna or maybe we could. They show respect for the other person's choice, and that makes your English sound both polite and natural. When you accept a suggestion, keep your tone positive and enthusiastic. Expressions like, that's a great idea, or sounds good to me, help the conversation move forward smoothly. Notice how short and cheerful replies make you sound approachable. Even a simple, let's do that, can build great energy in the conversation. Sometimes, we can't say yes, and that's completely fine. The secret is to say no without closing the conversation. Start with a positive phrase like, I'd love to, but, or that sounds nice, but, to show appreciation. Then give a reason or suggest another option. Could we do it another day instead? Or actually, I was thinking we could try the park. This keeps the exchange friendly and shows you value the other person's idea. Happy learning!